Myself, Shivani Singh. I'm the career counselor of Maximus. Today, I'm going to explain few things on Epicor ERP certification training guideline. In this Epicor ERP certification training video, we will cover from basics to advanced level of the training. In case if you are looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible for us. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. Hence, if you are an individual or corporate, we will fix the training certification guideline according to your requirement or as per the project requirement and then deliver the training for you. Next is the agenda slide. Here is the agenda. What are the trainer is going to cover in this Epicor ERP certification video. What is Epicor ERP? That is the introduction part of today's video. Why certification? Its course content, certification levels, eligibility criteria, technical skills prerequisites, exam format, preparation roadmap, certification benefits, how certification boost income, learning path future job trends, top clients, why one should choose Maximus trainer, conclusion, and the lastly, how to reach us or how to enroll with us for the Epicor ERP training purpose. Now, let us come to the introduction part of the PPT. Epicor ERP is a complete on-premises and cloud-based enterprise resource planning ERP solution that gives manufacturers strong capabilities for job costing, supply chain, inventory control, pre-production, material planning, and manufacturing execution MES to help them make cost-effective decisions in the manufacturing environment. Epicor ERP is especially designed for mid-sized discrete manufacturing, practically in the industrial machinery, electronics, and high-tech fabricates, metals, and rubber and plastic industries. Epicor ERP is architected using the service-oriented architecture SOA, thus making the Epicor ERP quite modular and flexible so that business can choose only the particular function at the time they require for their business needs. Then comes why Epicor ERP certification. An Epicor ERP certification validates your product expertise, helps you stand out in this tough job market, and proves you can maximize return on investment. Distinguish your resume from generic IT or business credential during recruiter screenings. Certified expert qualify for higher paying specialized engineering and supply chain roles. Provides a verified digital base to showcase on resume and professional platforms like LinkedIn. Moving on to the next slide of the PPT, we have the Epicor certification training course content. Let's have a look on the standard course content that we have with us today. About the course content, the trainer has listed few topics for you what is he is going to cover in this video. So here are the topic for you. Let me read out the topics of Epicor ERP certification training. Here is the detailed course content. Introduction to Part Master, creating and maintaining parts class and product groups, UOM unit of major setup, part revisions and engineering data, Approved Manufacturers List AML, BOM Fundamentals, Creating Engineering and Manufacturing BOM, Alternate BOM and Revisions, Method of Manufacture Concepts, Operation and Resources Group, Routing and Scheduling Basics, Customer and Opportunity Management, Creating and Managing Quotes, Pricing and Costing, Quote Engineering, Quote Approval Process, Converting quotes to orders, Warehouse and bin setup, Lot and serial tracking, Inventory transfers, Cycle counting, Inventory adjustment, Supply management, Purchase requisition process, Supplier price list, Purchase order receipts process, Buyer work bench, Job creation methods, Job entry and job tracker, Labor reporting, Job completion and closing, Job cost analyzing, MRP concepts and setup, Demand sources. So far, I have shown you here is the main course content of this certification PPT. Basically, what the trainer has prepared for you for Epicor ERP certification training session. Moving on the next slide, we have the Epicor ERP certification levels. Epicor Certified Developer. This level of certification validates skills in building custom solution, database modification, and system enhancement. Epicor Certified Consultant. This certification mainly prioritize on functional implementation, business process setup, and application configuration. Epicor Technical Certification covers infrastructure management, technical troubleshooting, and system administration. Single subject foundation exam. Target a specific add-on products or features, for example, Epicor ECM, DOC, Star, Administration, Cloud Foundation, Application Studio, or Purchasing Management. Next, we have the eligibility criteria to have a good business profile on Epicor ERP. Industry focus. Epicor ERP is the best suited for mid-market manufacturing, distribution, retail, and service-based industries. Company size. This is mainly designed for small to medium enterprises, SMEs, up to large multi-site corporation, typically requiring anywhere from 10 to over 100 concurrent users. Budget and resources. Must have capital for software licensing, SaaS or on-premises implementation partners, and dedicated internal project managers. Next comes the technical skill prerequisite. SQL Server and BAQ. It helps in mastering SQL and Epicor built in business activity queries BAQ to pull, join, and filter enterprise data. Data migration. Learn how to import and export data cleanly using Epicor Data Exchange DTE or DMT data migration tools. Scheme navigation. Using this, one can understand the Epicor database scheme, table relationship, and naming conversions. Let's look into the next slide, that is the Epicor ERP exam format. Epicor ERP certification exam is conducted online multiple choice question based on recommended topic areas and operational objectives. Testing environment. It is protocol remotely using a secure testing browser such as RP Now, requiring an exam token. Registration and fees. Exam is assigned and paid directly through the Epicor Learning Center portal under certification registration. Retake policy. Failed attempts require a 14 days cooling off period before registering for another attempt, with retakes billed at standard pricing. Next is preparation roadmap. To appear for the Epicor ERP certification, it requires a combination of structured training and hands-on practices. You have to follow the below steps. Identify your certification process according to your specialization. Completing all the official Epicor ERP training before the certification exam. Mastering all key technical concepts to ensure strong foundational knowledge. Leveraging all the documents and practice for the certification exam. In the next slide, we have the certification benefits, that is, what are the advantages of being a certified Epicor ERP. It demonstrates that you have the skills and practical knowledge needed to work confidentially with this Epicor ERP tools. Certification does not only strengthen your professional credibility but also helps you stand out in this tough job market. For organizations, certified professionals accelerate deployment times, minimize costly system errors, and optimize manufacturing or supply chain workflows for maximum productivity. Whether you are looking to advance in your current role, explore new career opportunities, or gain recognition for your skills, a certification is always a valuable step towards achieving your career goals. Coming to the next slide, how the certification boosts income. Market differentiation. Certified professionals stand out in the competitive job markets, making them more attractive to employers. Salary premiums. Many industry reports are 10 to 25% salary hike for certified employees compared to non-certified professionals. Bonus eligibility. Certification can qualify you for performance bonuses or skill-based incentives. Promotion pathways. Employers often fast track certified staff into leadership or specialized roles with higher pay. Global recognition. Certification recognize intentionally open doors to higher paying opportunities abroad. Next slide is learning path. Self-paced online learning. It is accessed through Epicor Learning Center ELC. They offer role-based catalogs, courses, and module roadmap tailored for general users, system administration, functional consultant, and technical developers. Virtual instructor-led training VILT. It is real-time interactive session led by authorized instructor. This format often includes hands-on project, real-time Q&A, and direct certification guidance. Customized corporate training. This mode of learning path is tailored in-house or online team training designed to meet specific project demands. It includes mock assessments and real-world shop floor scenarios and simulation. Future job trends coming in this market. Epicor Functional Consultant. Map business rules to system features. Epicor Kinetic Developers. Develop builds custom dashboards, REST, API, and BAQ. ERP Business Analyst. Evaluates company workflows and data quality. Epicor Project Manager. Leads software rollouts and cloud migration. Technical Application Specialist. Optimizes cloud infrastructure and server tools. In the next slide, we have the name of the top clients who gives the best job placement in the recent market. Please have a look our top client's name. Going forward, we have why Max Manus training. So let me tell you, trainer quality and their experience. All the trainers are certified professional with a deep industry knowledge. Candidates always praise their patience, clarity, and real world examples. Comprehensive course offering. Our trainer can provide training in all niche technology across the globe. Max Manus covers all the modules of SAP, Oracle, AWS, Azure, Salesforce, Python, DevOps, blockchain, UiPath, and more. We are specialized in supply chain and warehouse management system WMS, which is rare among training providers. Global reach and recognition. We have given training to 1 lakh plus candidates worldwide. Training courses are designed to align with global certification standard, boosting employability internationally. Student success and certification support. Learners report high pass rates in all the technology certification exams. Our trainer ensures student complete assignment and practices test building confidence for exams. Flexible learning operations. We offer online instructor-led corporate training and customized training programs according to your needs, which is suitable for both freshers and working professionals. Here we reach the last part of our PPT, that is conclusion part. Validates of expertise. It illustrates your skills and credibility in the Epic or ERP domain. Career advancement. Open doors to promotion, better increment, and opportunities across the globe. Competitive edge. Set your apart in the competitive job markets. Continuous growth. Encourage lifelong learning and adaptation to new technologies. Future ready. Position you as a trusted professional in an evolving digital world. And the last slide, we have contact us. For any further information or if you want to enroll with us for Epic or ERP certification training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And the even can be drop a mail in this given, that is mail ID contact@maxmanus.com. And the one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box, and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in Epic or ERP certification training, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the full Epic or certification training session with Max Manus. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.